Today we discuss about evaporation process, and we are going to see different factor which affect the rate of evaporation and some other short question that are very important, and those are present in our syllabus as well. Uh, First of all, there is a definition of evaporation. Evaporation is a spontaneous change of a liquid into its vapor is called evaporation. Actually, when we have a liquid, any kind of liquid, we can't control its evaporation ability because every liquid should have to change into its vapor at any temperature. There are three major factors which affect the rate of evaporation. Number one is surface area, number two is intermolecular forces, and number three is temperature. There are other factors also can affect the rate of evaporation, like movement of wind, air intensity, but that are not mentioned here in our textbook. Next is the relation of surface area and temperature with the rate of evaporation and relation of intermolecular forces. Surface area is directly proportional to evaporation, and temperature is also directly proportional to evaporation. It means that at high surface area and at high temperature, rate of evaporation is also high, whereas intermolecular forces have a inverse relation with evaporation. Stronger the intermolecular forces, weaker the lesser the rate of evaporation. There is a short question: evaporation take place at all temperatures. We can justify this statement by declaring this molecule of liquid are not motionless and energy is not equally distributed among themselves. Some molecule have high kinetic energy, they move very rapidly, and other have low kinetic energy, they move very slowly. One of the high kinetic energy molecule, when reach to the surface of its liquid, it can break the intermolecular forces with other molecules that present on surface, and they may escape the bulk of liquid and become vapor. So we can say that evaporation take place at all temperature, because at any temperature there are some molecule in a liquid that have high kinetic energy than other molecule. Second short question is about evaporation cause cooling, one of the most important and famous short question. Why evaporation cause cooling? When high energy molecule evaporate and low energy molecule left behind, so kinetic energy of system decrease and temperature of system is also decreases. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. So when high energy molecule leave the bulk of liquid, low energy molecule left behind, so the temperature of remaining liquid is also go down. Earthenware vessel keep water cool. Earthenware vessel or soil pot that are used to preserve some water. Uh, that one use in desert area and where water is very scarce. A soil pot actually a insulator. A porous pot. Earthenware vessel is a porous pot, so evaporation causes cooling of water, but it is also act as an insulator. So heat can't move inside and keep the water cool. The last short question of this topic, evaporation, is about one feel a sense of cooling under fan after bath. Actually, a moving fan increase the rate of evaporation because it increase the velocity of wind. So air can facilitate the vaporization from the wet surface of body. So one feel sense of cooling after bath under a moving fan.